Finally, GoldWave, yes, one of the famous audio editing software, GoldWave, has introduced their own AI tool. Hi guys, my name is Ratul and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, V.I Tech Academy. Warm welcome to another interesting video of our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be talking about the incredible AI feature of GoldWave. Many times we have big audio files and we want to convert them into text. But if you're a GoldWave user, definitely you can convert your audio files into text with the help of audio transcriber feature, which is obviously an AI powered feature. So everything we will discuss in this video. Watch this video till the end, otherwise you will miss some important points. And if you are new in this channel, subscribe to this channel to get more interesting videos like this for free. After subscribing, don't forget to turn on the all notifications so that you will receive all updates to your YouTube applications. If you want to support us, you can join us as a member or you can send us thanks. Click on the join button to learn more. So guys, what is the feature and how to use, everything we will discuss. I have already installed GoldWave and I will use this feature right now, and I have already used this feature earlier also. Now I will show you how you can use the feature. Now see, first of all, there is no proper AI tool, free AI tool especially, which can help you to do this. But OpenAI, you know what is OpenAI? Yes, you are right. The parent of the ChatGPT, the parent company of the ChatGPT. So OpenAI has developed one AI tool which is called Whisper AI. If you search on the internet, you will get, but there is no site like Whisper AI, whisperai.com, because they are only giving this as an API mode. API mode means they will allow developers to use Whisper AI, and in their applications they will allow developers to integrate Whisper AI to other applications. Suppose for example you build one audio transcription tool, so you can use Whisper AI API, and with the help of this you can provide the services. So that's why we can't directly use this Whisper AI, but through GoldWave we can use. So guys, there are different models available. First you need to download the model to your GoldWave. Yes, I will show you how you can download, but first you need to download that, then you can use. Okay, so I have already downloaded one model, so all options will not be same. I will discuss and I will tell you what options you will see. Okay, those who don't know about the GoldWave, you can watch our previous videos from our official YouTube channel. You can visit our audio video editing tutorials playlist, or you can search on the GoldWave tutorials within our channel. Okay, by the way, do you know how to search within our channel only? If you know, type yes in the comment section. Otherwise, if you don't know, type no, so that I will make another video how you can find any videos if available on our official YouTube channel. Okay, so first you need to open the GoldWave, then you need to open the tool submenu. To open the tool submenu, press Alt plus T. So I'm pressing
amplitude statistics unavailable A.
Okay, so here other options also available. So I'm pressing up arrow until I hear transcribe.
Transcribe audio N.
So transcribe audio. Now I'm just pressing enter here.
Transcribe dialog combo box collapsed.
So here combo box collapsed. So as I do not have any opened file, so here it is nothing is showing. If I press up arrow or down arrow, so what happened? The open dialog will appear. Then I need to just open a file, then I can transcribe. But I'm just pressing tab.
Save text as button.
Tab.
Settings. Small English.
Settings.
Color button.
Okay, I'm pressing enter here.
Transcribe settings dialog. AI model. Combo box whisper small 466
now, see,
MB. English.
First of all, when you open the transcribe dialog first time, you will see these dialog transcribe settings. So first option is here you need to select the AI model. Okay, let's see what are the models available.
Whisper Tiny 75 MB.
Whisper
English
Tiny.
only.
Okay.
Whisper Tiny 75 MB.
Okay, Whisper Tiny. So now you will see two types of models. Each model has two types, English only and multilingual. Multilingual there is no label, but English only is properly labeled. Okay, Tiny model is size is very small and properly it is 200% inaccurate. I mean accuracy is very low.
Whisper base 142
Then
MB.
basic,
English only.
it's a little bit more size.
Whisper base 142 MB.
Okay, Whisper base, it is another model. It is not like Whisper tiny, but it's also good. Okay, next is accuracy is little bit good. Then
Whisper small 466 MB. And Whisper small 466 MB.
Then
Whisper medium
Whisper
1500
medium,
MB. English only.
1500 MB, which means 1.5 GB. Okay, then
Whisper medium. Whisper large
Whisper
2900
large.
MB.
If you need the accurate and exact transcription properly, even if in your audio there is hard words such as medical transcription, let's suppose, so I recommend you to download this model. Its size is 2 GB. Okay, and while you are downloading, you need to be connected to the internet, but while you are using, after downloading, you can use the offline. Yes, this is also one of the best part of using this AI tool. Okay, so I have downloaded
Whisper
this
medium 50. Whisper small 466
MB, something like this.
Whisper small 466
English
MB.
only I have
English only.
downloaded. Okay, because I will only do the English, but I didn't try the other language, but if you want you can try. Now after that I'm pressing tab.
Combo box English collapsed.
English, it is the language. Okay, which language in your audio have. Okay, so by default auto is selected, but I do not recommend you to select auto. Okay, obviously I will detect, but somehow sometimes I may miss, right? So that's why select the language from here. Okay, I'm pressing tab again.
Confidence colors checkbox check.
Tab.
Translate to English checkbox not checked.
Translate to English. So let's suppose your audio is in Bengali or your audio is in Malayalam, Hindi, whatever. If you want to be if you want to get the translators, for example, you have a Hindi video or Hindi audio, you don't know Hindi, so what you can do is you can directly transcribe that Hindi into an audio into a text file and then translate them into English. Okay, I don't know how much it will be accurate, but if you want you can try. But this is a feature, and this is an amazing feature, right?
Timestamp checkbox not checked.
Timestamp, if you check this box check, so timestamp will appear also, 1 second, 2 second, whenever, whatever timestamp. But if you want to use it for regular purpose, I do not recommend to use timestamp because it will create some problems. Okay.
OK button.
Just click on OK button.
Transcribe dialog.
So I'm
Settings.
just pressing
Small English
enter.
color button.
Okay. So I'm just pressing Shift plus tab once.
Save text as button.
Save text as. So here you can save the text.
Combo box collapsed.
Combo box. So I'm just showing you now how you can do the transcription. Okay. Before showing the transcription, I have one important announcement for you guys. Guys, those who are interested to learn web development, we have 3 options for you. Number 1, you can learn WordPress. WordPress is a free tool, and to learn WordPress you don't need to have a coding language knowledge. You can build websites just after 60 days. We have a course on WordPress and all of our courses are certified, and right now we are offering huge discounts on WordPress course. So I'll provide the course page link. Just go and check out once. If you need, definitely you can register. Okay. Number 2, you can join our Fundamentals of Web Development course. There you will learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript from basic to advanced. Okay, by learning which you can design basics websites. Okay, and also you can apply for digital accessibility testing jobs, or digital accessibility, you can do the digital accessibility testing. Okay, so that is also available, and there also will provide anniversary discount, because you know this is when I'm recording this video, this is the November 2024. So November month is our anniversary month, so that's why we are offering the anniversary discounts. Don't forget to check out. And number 3, we have introduced advanced web development course. There we will teach you the backend development with Node.js, React.js and MongoDB. Okay, there we also provide some discounts, so don't forget to check out all these 3 courses and enroll wherever you want. Okay, now we will see. Okay, one more thing about the course. All courses are certified. Okay, you'll get a certification after completion of the course. For more details, check out our course page. Link is in the pinned comment. Okay, now here are two ways to transcribe. First option is upload a file, and second option is whenever you have a file, already opened a file. Okay, so uploading a file is very easy. I'm just pressing down arrow here.
Open sound dialog, file name,
Open sound dialog is open.
collapsed, edit alt plus
Here, so now here you can just upload a file and then you can get the same options which we will show you.
Transcribe
But
GoldWave.
right now we will open one audio within the GoldWave, and then I will play that audio, and then I will transcribe so that you will be able to understand. So let me open one audio. So guys, I have successfully imported one audio. Just I am playing the audio once. These are the 3 powerful NVIDIA add-ons which you should never use. Oh my god, you should always use. Number 1, Audio Manager. This add-on lets you manage your input. Okay, so now you already listened. By the way, this short is also available on our official YouTube channel. You can visit our short section to enjoy more videos. Okay, now I want this audio into text format. So just I'm selecting.
Select all.
Okay, so you can also select a partial portion of the audio, not only the complete audio, using the selection method of GoldWave. I'm not going to details. So now I'm just pressing Alt T followed by N, which is the shortcut to open the transcription dialog.
Amblet transcribe dialog, combo box current selection collapsed.
So it is already saying that current selection. If you want to do that, it's good. If you press up or down arrow here, then the open dialog box will appear. So avoiding that, just pressing tab.
Save text as button.
So if you want to save the text, that we will do later.
Settings, small
tab.
English, edit mode, settings,
so here
small
see,
English, color button.
Here you can change the model also. If you have downloaded many models, you can change it from here.
Edit multi-line lang.
Okay, you can download also. See,
lang.
This is the place where
lang.
the text will appear. But now it is not there.
Start button.
Just click on start button.
Unavailable
Now it is
text,
started.
0%.
So wait for the complete transcription. In the meantime, you can share this video.
13.9%, 13%, 17.9%, 30.9%, 28%,
34.1%, how you are enjoying this video in the comment section.
49.6%, 49%, 54.7%, 68.6%, 68%, 77.5%, 81.0%, 80%, 86.5%, 93.1%, 93%, 97.4%, 100.0%.
Okay guys, I hope it's done. Now I'm just pressing tab.
Transcribe dialog.
Yeah, so it's done. I'm
combo box current selection,
tab.
save text as button.
Tab.
Settings, small English,
tab.
color, edit multi-line lang.
So I'm just reading. I'm just going to top.
These are the space.
Now I'm just pressing insert plus down arrow and read.
These are the 3 powerful video add-ons which you should never use. Oh my god, you should always use. Number 1, Audio Manager. This add-on lets you manage your input and output device volume just by using some shortcut keys. No need to go to settings and all. Number 2, WhatsApp Plus. If you're using WhatsApp on your PC and want to use some shortcuts and extra accessibility features, so you must install this add-on. 3, Weather Plus. Now you can get the weather information just by tapping some shortcuts. All of these add-ons can be downloaded from Video Add-on Store and compatible with the latest version of Video. For more details, check out this related video. Like this.
So instead of NVIDIA, sometimes it takes NVIDIA. NVIDIA is a company of graphics card, as you know, but it's almost correct, almost accurate. Now if you you can just save it and you can just edit it as per your choice. So just
save text as button.
Click on save text as and
save
now
as dialog, file name, combo box collapsed,
save
edit
as dialog. So here you need to enter the file name and then press tab.
Save as type, combo box
here
text,
you can
star.txt, collapse alt plus T.
Star.txt
expanded.
Okay, or any other files.
Save as type, combo.
I think, but text is enough for me as per my choice, as per my as per me actually. Okay, so this is an amazing feature. This is a really wonderful feature of GoldWave. So hats off to GoldWave and thank you to the GoldWave developers for integrating this wonderful feature. And the best part is the feature is completely accessible and you can use the feature even offline. So I've shown you the amazing features of GoldWave, right? Now it's your turn. Please share this video as much as possible so that we can reach 1000 views on this video. We have 3000 plus members in our channel, guys. So we can expect 1000 views. As well as please like the video if you find our content useful and share your opinion about this content, about our channel into the comment section. And those who want to learn GoldWave from basic to advanced, they can attend our GoldWave free masterclass available on our YouTube channel, as well as you can also attend our GoldWave advanced course, which is also available on our official YouTube channel. So you can find more about the GoldWave on our channel. And that's it, guys, for the day. Thank you for watching this video from
Transcribe.
the top to bottom. See you in the next video soon. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye bye.